In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Quebec. If you want to take care of your fine without visiting an office in person, the online process is usually the fastest and most convenient option. I'll walk you through where to go, what to look for, and how to continue once you reach the official payment page. To begin, open your web browser and go to Quebec's official government website at quebec.ca. It's important to use the official provincial website so you know you're getting accurate information and accessing the correct payment service. Once the site loads, look for the section related to paying a fine. On the page, you should see an option labeled Paying a Fine. Select that option to continue. This will take you to the page that explains how fines and offense payments work in Quebec. After that, click on Paying a Fine again if needed to open the full details page. Depending on how the site is displayed on your device, you may need to scroll a little to find the correct section. Take your time here and make sure you are on the page specifically dedicated to fine payments. Next, look for the online payment area. You want to find the section that mentions paying online. This is the part that directs you from the information page to the secure service used to process your payment. If you don't see it right away, scroll carefully and watch for wording related to online payment. When you find it, click on Pay Online. This should redirect you to the official fine payment platform. Since you're moving from the information page to the transaction page, you may notice a new screen or a separate government service portal opening. That's normal. From there, simply follow the next prompt on the screen. The site will guide you through the remaining part of the process. Read each page carefully before continuing, especially if there are instructions about the type of ticket, the reference number, or accepted payment methods. As you move forward, provide the requested information by following the on-screen steps. Make sure you enter the details exactly as they appear on your ticket to avoid delays or errors. Before submitting anything, review all the information one final time so you can confirm everything is accurate. A helpful tip is to keep your traffic ticket beside you before you start, along with your payment method, so the process goes smoothly. And once your payment is completed, save or print the confirmation page for your records. That way, you'll have proof of payment if you need it later. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Quebec.